my party rules in Punjab. Punjab police is under my party. I am the ex-Prime Minister of Pakistan, and not just that. I am the head of the largest political force in this country. And I could not get a case registered against these three people who I know were involved in this. I know it. And whenever there is a proper investigation, starting from who released the video and the people subsequent of events that followed, I know exactly that these three people will be implicated. Now, imagine that my party rules Punjab. We could not get the Punjab police to register cases against these three guys because it was for investigation. So, if in the investigation they turn out to be innocent, fine. But at least it's my right. They almost killed me. I mean, it was a death trap where they, which I survived. So at least I should have the right to decide that whose motive was it to get bumping off. And we could not register a case against these three guys. The Punjab police refused.
So who do you want now coming in?
Who is controlling Punjab police?
Okay, I do get your point. So who should be coming?